Now we're getting somewhere. Week 7, started physical therapy. The brace is off. Guitar playing's coming back. Nerve pain is pretty much gone. And range of motion is almost at 100%. Week 5 and week 6 were a different story. It just seemed like there was no progress for several days. And I kind of expected that because my doctor was like, it's gonna be really slow at first and then it's gonna pick up. So here we are. I'm able to hold on to this tripod here with my right arm with no pain. So once that nerve pain started going away, I immediately started working on mobilizing the tissue. So using things like the voodoo floss band, some scraping techniques to kind of get that fascia sliding and gliding again. Just finding extra ways to get blood flow into the area too without necessarily going right into grip work. The big benefit of going to physical therapy is utilizing their blood flow restriction equipment, some e-stim and some dry needling, which has really helped with bringing my triceps back from my neck injury. Oh shit, it's about to rain. Aside from being able to play my guitar again, which I'm super stoked about, is I'm able to handle a leisurely bike ride. If you're watching this and you tore up your bicep tendon, just know that with patience, good nutrition, sleep, an optimistic but realistic mindset, it'll be okay. Week 6 to week 8 is when things exponentially start getting better, like almost daily. Hopefully in the next video, I'll be doing some biceps curls. All right, that's it for now. See ya.